In this video, we're comparing JustMarkets versus Exness versus TradingView in 2025 to help you choose the best platform for your trading or investment journey. Each of these platforms brings something unique to the table, so let's dive into the details. JustMarkets. JustMarkets is a Forex and CFD broker that provides a user-friendly experience with a variety of account types for both beginners and experienced traders. It focuses on low spreads, multiple trading instruments, and accessible services. Pros: offers low spreads and competitive commissions. Available with MetaTrader 4 for easy trading. Offers Islamic accounts and the ability to open a demo account. Multiple deposit and withdrawal options. Low minimum deposit requirement. Cons: limited educational resources compared to some other platforms. Withdrawal times can sometimes be slow depending on the method. Exness. Exness is a highly trusted Forex broker that offers a wide range of assets, including CFDs and cryptocurrencies, with competitive spreads in a highly regulated environment. Exness provides tools and services for both novice and professional traders. Pros: highly regulated in major jurisdictions like the UK and Cyprus. Offers ECN accounts with low spreads and fast execution speeds. Provides advanced trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Offers 24/7 customer support and excellent educational resources. Flexible leverage options available. Cons: withdrawal fees for certain payment methods. Not available in some regions due to regulatory restrictions. TradingView. TradingView is a charting and social trading platform that is widely used by traders and investors to analyze stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, and other markets. It's known for its advanced charting tools and an active community of traders sharing ideas and strategies. Pros: advanced charting tools with a wide range of indicators and chart types. Social trading community, allowing you to share ideas and follow experienced traders. Supports stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, and commodities. Offers real-time data and alerts for various assets. Highly customizable with features for backtesting and strategy development. Cons: not a trading platform. It's primarily a charting tool, so you need a separate broker to place trades. Some features, like advanced indicators and alerts, are only available in the paid version, limited for those who only want to trade and not analyze. Conclusion: JustMarkets is ideal for those who want an accessible and competitive platform for Forex and CFD trading with low spreads and multiple account types. Exness is better suited for traders who are looking for a regulated environment with advanced features and flexible leverage for a variety of assets, including cryptos and CFDs. TradingView is perfect for those who need advanced charting tools, enjoy social trading, and want to analyze multiple markets, but don't need to trade directly on the platform. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on whether you're looking for a broker, charting tools, or both. If you want to trade directly, go for JustMarkets or Exness. And if you're more into market analysis and strategy, TradingView will be your go-to. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.